Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and this is going to be my second vlog, and we are going to a temple, a Shiv temple, which is very far from here. As you can see, the bags are set right here, and this is going to be a 2-day trip, and I will try to capture everything as much as I can because I don't know how much I will be allowed to record in there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So guys, we are all suited up and ready to leave now, just waiting for my auto to arrive so that it can take me to the bus stop and then I can catch a bus. For anyone guys who is actually making any vlogs or traveling around anywhere in India, please make sure to hydrate because it is so hot and I don't want you guys to fall ill. 10:03 already, and yeah, waiting for my auto to arrive. So guys, I am here finally. It took me 3 hours or so in the bus and I finally made it. It's very hot here and I will update you in some time. Yeah, for those who are wondering right now, the temperature is at least 45 degrees Celsius. I'm wearing black on a hot summer day. You know what mistake I have done.
वो आएगा जरूर।
मैं जब भी ऐसे बात करता हूँ मतलब मैं आता हूँ। ये हमारा फ्रेंड, वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड, बचपन का फ्रेंड। You guys, so here I am in my room right now and अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ रेस्ट करने. I'm going to take some rest and after that I'll see you guys tomorrow when we go out to the temple and तब तक के लिए bye bye. Guys, we're up right now. Just सो के उठा हूँ. I just woke up and I will take a quick shower now and then I will update you guys about the vlog. So yeah, I just woke up. I'm so tired. My whole body hurts. So yeah, I just woke up. So guys, we're done with the shower right now. Ignore my hair. It's not that very great. So I'm done with the shower. We are waiting for my friend to arrive. And as soon as he arrives, we are going to leave for the temple. We are not going to have any delay and not any breakfast because we are going to visit the temple first, then we are going to eat something. गाड़ी हल्ले हाथ में We are here, boys. We are here. Everybody, we are here. So I'll try to cover up as much as I can from now because I don't know how much I'll be allowed to record from here. इससे आगे अलाउड नहीं है क्या रिकॉर्डिंग? गुली कैसी है? पोखरी कदी परे जिबा आगे पानी टिके दे दियो Hey guys, Editor Phoenix here. So all I want to say is that this journey, when it started it was just an vlog, but after I finished it, after I saw Lord Shiva at the temple, I think I just don't know what I felt. Like my soul, my heart, my mind was at such a peace after the visit that I just cannot express how I was feeling. This trip, first of all, it was just a vlog trip, but once I visited that place, it was more than just a vlog for me. It was a way of life, and I have been deeply touched by this visit, and I wish I can go there once again when I have the conditions to go. I would definitely love to visit that place. And yeah, this is it for the Editor Phoenix, and it next will be continued by the real time Phoenix. So guys, we are done with the vlog, we are done with the trip. Abhi I'm walking towards the bus stop with my friend, and abhi ghar nikal rahe hain thodi der mein. We will be on the bus and we will be back home. And yeah, May 15 वापस आ रहा हूँ. कहाँ जाएंगे? दीघा. We are going to go to दीघा बीच पे जाएंगे boys. And तब तक के लिए यही आपका vlog रहेगा. So we'll see you guys later.